In this video, we will install an RVLock Durō Keypad. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, utility knife, your compact Durō Keypad, a soft surface or cloth to work on, and your compact gasket. With your lock removed from the door, carefully use a utility knife to lift and peel the old membrane. Remove the existing gasket. Using a utility knife, separate the gasket from the handle and lift to remove. Clean the excess adhesive using a non-abrasive cleaner. Using a screwdriver, remove the cover plate and set the screws aside. Gently pull on the back plate. Do not pull away from the lock. Instead, flip the back plate up so it is out of the way. Next, remove the existing silicone keypad and discard. Now, insert the Durō keypad so it sits securely into the existing housing. Gently install the backplate into its previous position. Reinstall the cover plate screws. Do not over-tighten, as this can damage your lock and cause it to not function properly. Install your new gasket. Verify that the gasket is sealed and aligned, as this will help waterproof your handle. Finally, connect your handle to the back plate and test the functionality. Once satisfied, reinstall your handle. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Durō Keypad.